Have you ever looked up at the night sky and seen a star that shines exceptionally bright, almost like a tiny, brilliant lamp? Well, chances are you might not be looking at a star at all. You could be witnessing the king of the planets, Jupiter, during a spectacular celestial event known as opposition. So, what exactly is opposition, and why does it make Jupiter so special to observe? Let's dive in. Imagine the solar system as a giant racetrack. Earth and Jupiter are like two runners circling the sun in their own lanes. Earth is on the inner track, moving faster, while Jupiter is on an outer, wider track, moving more slowly. About every 13 months, Earth, in its speedier orbit, catches up to and overtakes Jupiter. The moment Earth passes directly between the Sun and Jupiter, that's opposition. From our perspective here on Earth, the Sun is on one side of the sky, and Jupiter is on the exact opposite side. This is why Jupiter rises in the east just as the Sun sets in the west, and it sets in the west just as the Sun rises in the east. It's visible all night long, gracing our sky from dusk until dawn. But it's not just about being visible all night. Opposition is also when Jupiter is at its closest point to Earth in its orbit, a point we call perigee. Think about it. If Earth is directly between the Sun and Jupiter, the distance between our two planets is at its minimum. This proximity has a wonderful effect. It makes Jupiter appear bigger and brighter in our sky than at any other time of the year. It becomes the third brightest object in the night sky, outshone only by the Moon and Venus. This is the absolute best time for stargazers and astronomers to get out their telescopes. So, what can you actually see? Even with a simple pair of binoculars, the view is incredible. You can easily spot Jupiter as a distinct, bright disk, not just a pinpoint of light like a star. But the real magic happens when you look a little closer. You'll be able to see Jupiter's four largest moons, known as the Galilean moons: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Galileo Galilei first discovered them in 1610, and seeing them for yourself is like reaching back through history. They look like tiny stars lined up next to the planet, and their positions change from night to night as they orbit Jupiter. It's a dynamic mini solar system right before your eyes. If you have a small telescope, the show gets even better. You won't just see the moons more clearly, you'll start to see details on Jupiter itself. The planet's famous cloud bands, the dark belts and lighter zones become visible. These are massive planet-circling storms and atmospheric currents. With a slightly larger telescope and good viewing conditions, you might even be able to spot the most famous storm in the solar system, the Great Red Spot. This is a colossal anticyclonic storm, wider than our entire planet Earth, that has been raging for hundreds of years. Seeing this iconic feature with your own eyes is an unforgettable experience. The best part is, you don't need to be a professional astronomer to enjoy this. When you hear that Jupiter is at opposition, just find a spot away from city lights, let your eyes adjust to the dark, and look up. You can use a stargazing app on your phone to help locate the planet. But honestly, it's usually so bright that it's hard to miss. It's a perfect opportunity to connect with the cosmos, to feel the scale of our solar system, and to witness a truly awesome display of celestial mechanics. It reminds us that we are part of a vast, beautiful, and ever-moving universe. So next time opposition comes around, grab a blanket, maybe some hot chocolate, and spend a night with the king of the planets. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey to Jupiter, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next cosmic adventure. Clear skies.